Kidzo Kids!
Hello, kids! Let's trace letters from A to Z together. Take your pencil or finger and let's start. Trace letter A. Trace letter B. Trace letter C. Trace letter D. Trace letter E. Trace letter F. Trace letter G. Trace letter H. Trace letter I. Trace letter J. Trace letter K. Trace letter L. Trace letter M. Trace letter N. Trace letter O. Trace letter P. Trace letter Q. Trace letter R. Trace letter S. Trace letter T. Trace letter U. Trace letter V. Trace letter W. Trace letter X. Trace letter Y. Trace letter Z. Great job, kids! You traced all the letters from A to Z. Keep practicing and you'll be writing like a pro.
Thank you, kids, for learning with me. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.